What is going on, guys? It's your boy Andy in the house, and now we're going to talk about what can you expect to happen with Bitcoin and Ethereum within the next hours and days so that you can make a lot of money. And of course, we are also going to talk about the liquidation heat map and the ETF flows. So let's dive into this, guys. So let me show you. As of right now, you can see this white line here is acting as support, and it has been acting as support since 2nd of April. Okay, guys? So, and as long as the price stays above this white line, we are looking pretty bullish. And of course, there could be some small wicks like this. Yeah, I would say these are some liquidation wicks for the people who got into the market later. Yeah, and use high leverage. They might get just liquidated by those wicks, okay? Because if you use, I don't know, let's say 70x leverage, of course, a wick like this could just liquidate you, okay? And that's why it's also always important, guys, always use a stop loss a little bit above your liquidation price, okay, guys? And by the way, if you want to trade, if you use the links down in the description, you will always get the highest available sign-up bonuses. So let me also show you what's going on here with the support level here, because this was the all-time high, so to say, at around 69.3k, yeah, depending on the exchange you use, yeah. And this is the new all-time high. Let me switch over here, because as you can see here, the EMA ribbon flipped bullish yesterday. As you can see here, it flipped bullish yesterday. And what's also good is that we trade above this white line. Now you might ask yourself, what is this white line? Easy, because this line has been acting as resistance since we formed the new all-time high, so to say, as you can see here on the 14th of March, so around 4 weeks ago, okay? And we got rejected here, we got rejected here, and we also got rejected here. But then we broke above it, yeah, then we saw a small wick down, and now we are trading above the line again. So there are two very bullish factors as of right now, because the EMA ribbons on the hourly charts flipped bullish, okay, and we are trading above this white line, guys. So I hope that you made some nice profits if you're part of the crypto dealers community and subscribe to the channel for a longer time. Then we are making a lot of nice profits together, guys, okay? So this white line here, yeah, this was the previous pattern, as you can see here. Then we broke below it, and now at the moment we are trading exactly below it, yeah. So it would be extremely bullish, yeah, if we would break above this again. And also because of the traded volume, let me show you here. Because as you can see here, the most traded volume has been here at around 67.7k in this range. And the higher we go now, as you can see here, we are here, the higher we go, the volume decreases, okay? So that means if we stay above this line here, yeah, the white line, if you stay above the white line, plus manage to break up higher, even higher, then the volume decreases, so we could easily, more or less, let's say easily, go up to the all-time high and maybe even break it, guys, okay? Also, let me show you the ETF volume. As you can see here, the last days were not, I mean, in general, as you can see, there was a lot of traded volume here this time, but basically the volume decreased a lot. As you can see this week, not much volume at all in here. A lot of outflows, I would say, I mean, based to the inflow, compared to the inflows. Here also a lot of outflows, and here almost no volume. I mean, if you compare this volume here with these days here, I mean, that's almost nothing, yeah? What you should also be prepared for, the liquidation heat map. As you can see here, we have a lot of liquidations waiting up here at around 71.6 to 7k, and also down here at around 69.5k. So don't be surprised if you see some wick to the upside or some wick to the downside, or maybe even both, to grab the liquidity, because the exchanges want to grab the liquidity. Let me also show you what's going on with Ethereum. This is quite easy to analyze, because as you can see here, once we broke above this green box here, acting as resistance for some time, now it's gonna act as support. yeah, then we went just higher, and as you can see here, this white line here has been acting as support since 6th of April. So what's also very bullish here is because, let me show you, this is the, I mean, it's not the all-time high, but it was the yearly high, so to say, at around $4,100, yeah. And then this yellow line acted as resistance. Okay, now as of right now, we are trading above the yellow line, which is very bullish, and also above the white line. As you can see here, we are almost touching it right now. So as long as we stay above the white line, it looks very, very bullish. And I would also say the next resistance is then the bigger resistance. Let's say we have at around 3.6k, then 3.8k, and 3.9k, guys. Okay, so once we would manage to break above this would be really, really bullish, and then the next one would be at around $4,150, guys. That's what's going on here. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.